Hello, welcome to Yemizkitchen. Today I'm going to be doing my beet juice. Trying to eat healthy and drink healthy. Beet is called the fruit of life. So this is my beets. I bought organic kind. So they are more dirty. Organic carrots, more dirty. So I'm going to need, for that you're going to need the carrots. You don't have to that. You can do beets by itself, but I want it to taste a little bit better. So I have the carrot. I'm putting in it my limes, my ginger, and I'm putting two kind of sweet apple, red apple and the gala apples. So I'm going to put both apples in it. So I'm going to go wash my fruits and I'll be back. So I have 4 roots of beet, organic 4 beet roots here, 4 medium carrots, 2 limes, 2 apples, and 2 medium ginger roots. So now I've washed all the fruits and I've cut them into pieces. Be careful with the beets because it's red and it's intense. It will stain on your fingers and everything you're doing with it. But it's very, very delicious and it's very nutritious. So as you can see, I've cut all the fruits in my blender. I put water in it. Now I'm I transferred all my beets that's cut into pieces in the blender. Then some lime. I'm squeezing my lime in it. Then I'm going to blend this. So blend as smooth as you can. Depending on the power of your blender, blend as smooth as you can. Then I'm going to pour this in a cheesecloth over this red bowl that you've seen here. And squeeze the beet juice out. So I've squeezed as much as possible the beet juice out, so it remain in the shaft. Like I said, if you want smoothie, you drink it with the shaft. You don't want smoothie, you want juice, you take the shaft out. This is what it looks like. It is very, very rich. This is organic, it's natural. When you buy in the store, there's additive into it. At least I know what I'm drinking. This is, they say beet is the food of life. You know, it's helping with your blood system. So this is really, really, really good. So I poured in my pitcher and I'm going to pour it into my cups so that we can drink it. So for the sweet tooth, if you like it, you can add some honey in it. But beet by itself is sweet, the carrot is sweet, the apple is sweet, so it is tasty already. So this is delicious. I am done. My beet root juice finally completed. Thank you for watching. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for being faithful and tuning into this channel. We really do appreciate you. Please, please don't forget to follow, like, interact, share, press notification bell, notification button so that you can be alerted anytime I upload a new episode. Thank you so much. I love you. Don't forget, happiness is a choice. Choose to be happy. Yemizkitchen.